normal vodka, watermelon vodka, rum of any kind, beer, Jeremiah weed,
I can't open it.
Her Pepsi stuck.
I can't open it.
Won't you help her brother?
Thanks, boyfriend.
All I want to do all I want to do is go back to the car. Have more Jack and D.
Jack and D.
I feel like the people here hate me. The boy has a checker hat. These people are very alternative lifestyle. They live their life on the alternate. And I think it's kind of hokey.
Hokey pokey.
And you turn yourself about.
Me and Jess were doing the chicken dance yesterday.
Damn turbo. Chicken bop here, chicken bop there. There's a wreath on the door.
What?
Door. A wreath.
Oh, he's a refund. I was like, what does that mean?
Wreath of Franklin.
My dad's aunt Wilma, she lives in California, and she makes us a wreath of mints, like this little like peppermint mint with the red and white. Yeah, it's like a wreath of them.
A wreath? Do you eat them?
Of course.
I can only take so many. I like them after dinner.
Yeah, like after dinner we'll just like pop one in and just be like, ooh, minty fresh.
You can have a bunch on Thanksgiving. That's a dinner.
True that.
There's so many people here. That's when we were in the window. He's weird too, though. Ooh, he's running. They just got a camo, Batman. They just got a camo.
Going on YouTube.
You don't even know it.
You're gonna be a star before you even realize.
All I wanted to do earlier was burp, and I don't remember if I did.
You did. It took like a good 15 minutes though, but...
And then I feel fine, and I drank some coffee, and I'm fine. I'm ready for more Jack.
More drink.
I got a text message.